Okay guys, PD Tech here with a little video, part 2 of how far my Bebop got on its stock battery. So in the Free Flight Pro app, we need to calibrate the Bebop. So you press on where it says Bebop and those numbers, and you'll press on the calibrate button and then just follow the on-screen prompts. So we're going to do the same for the Sky controller. So in my case, click on the red exclamation mark because I have an outstanding update. Click on calibrate and follow the on-screen prompts. So double check all your settings, make sure you've got a green GPS symbol for your drone controller and your return to home position, and you're good to go. Hi guys, PD Tech here with a little video showing my Bebop. It's just a range test. This is part 2 of the range with the stock battery. So it's a pretty grey, sort of dull, misty day. This is October last year, so it's at the end of a pretty dry summer. We had quite a lot of dry weather, and it's a fairly mild day. It's a bit windy today, but the temperature's in double figures centigrade, so it's probably about 12, 13, 14 degrees centigrade. So we're coming up over towards the bridge, and I just noticed a dog walker there just to the bottom left, so I'm skirting around him. You just got to be careful here. There's a few little paths here where dog walkers walk across. There's 2 little ponds there coming up to the bridge, and I decide it's probably not the best time to go for the range test. You see a little train there, and I'm sort of coming back, but then I have a look at my battery and think, oh yeah, I can make it, so let's go for it. It's quite a windy day. It's probably approaching well over 10 miles an hour, which isn't good for the Bebop. It really does sap the stock battery. You can see in this field it's normally flooded, and the little river's quite low as well in places, so you can tell how dry it's been. So I'm sort of going for it. I think the last time I tried this out it did around 500 meters, and I'm just aiming for probably around 600 meters. That's what I'm going for. I'm just doing it slowly in stages with this Bebop. The Bebop will go much further than that, but you've just got to watch that stock battery, because the ones I've got are not in the best of shape, and I'm probably getting about 5 or 6 minutes, that's all flight time, with the stock 1200 mAh battery. You can see how low the river is in places there. There's a little road ahead, so I'm not going to go beyond that road. I just sort of cross the river here a little bit. Just to the right of this position, there's actually, it looks like a cell tower, some kind of radio mast, and it's obviously giving off a lot of interference and stuff, Wi-Fi, possibly interference. This Bebop's running on Wi-Fi, so I'm running on 2.4 gigahertz at the moment. So there you go, that was around 597 meters. You can see the battery of the drone in the bottom right corner. You can see the signal bars in between the controller battery and the drone battery. Both of those are in the bottom right corner. And the telemetry details are on the bottom left. You've got distance and height. I was trying to keep about 40 meters at this point, so I've got a good line of sight of my Bebop all the way over the bridge. So we're coming back now. You see the wind turbine in the background, just to give you a good idea of the wind. It's always windy here, even on a calm day. You come down here and you think it's just a wide open space, valley. There's no cover at all, and you think to yourself, oh, it's too windy to fly, but I've come all this way, I'm going to get the drone out and just at least give it a shot. So coming back now, it's always best to have some kind of landmark to aim for when you're coming back from any sort of range. So basically I'm in between the road and that wind turbine. The road on the left and the wind turbine sort of just there in the background. I'm about halfway between the two. You'll see a little path where it joins onto the main road there, the main little road. I'm just about there. So I'm coming into my position now, and Got plenty of battery left. Look, the drone battery is the bottom right corner. I'll come in now. I'm just digging these old videos out because I'm looking outside now and it's really windy, it's very wet. I just want to fly my Mavic Mini really, but it's just, the weather's just been so bad. The train there, look. It's quite a busy track now. I just keep away from that track, but it's nice to capture the trains as it pass. So I'm just coming in now. Just it coming down. I'm just trying to find a spot to put it down. It comes down quite hard, the Bebop. The last bit where you press the land button, it sort of drops. So you try and get it as low as you can. Get it just right, where it's not too high, and then just press the land button. It literally drops out of the sky. Here we go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Fly safe, guys. Take care. Bye bye for now.